questions that I get is, what does this look like? What should it look like when it's done? Um, as it was hinted in the Disney Imagineer project presentation, you should have a cover page. It should list your group members, okay, as seen on this example here. And then it should follow the same order. So it should go into market research analyst. It should go into the communications manager, the brand manager, and then finally the product marketing manager. And then it should have your ride, attraction, or design kind of plugged in at the end. But I want to take a minute and just scroll through some of the examples to give you an idea. Okay. You want to think of this as a presentation. All right. So while this is normally done in Google Docs, if you have a better way of doing this, I'm willing to entertain your idea. But normally you're thinking of this as you're all sitting around a Disney boardroom. You've got a presentation you're going to hand to some executives and you're going to sell them on your idea. All right. So you want to jazz it up a little bit. So we've got the Up experience here, and their idea was to take the Up house with balloons, and it was a ride that goes up and down. The Disney Imagineers for this, there were just two, worked on the market research analyst with the target market and customer profile. They had their closing attraction. You do have to pick an attraction to be closed, and their new attraction and the attraction experience. And you'll see over on the right-hand side, they've kind of compiled some of their data in here. You'll see the communications manager has the name of the attraction, why they chose that, the logo, the slogan, and then, of course, their social media. So when they'll be posting to all different social media accounts, when and why. You'll see they jazz that one up just a little bit with some pictures as well. This one is their press release. This is the communications manager that does this. So you'll see that this is the press release that they would write. This is their infographic. The communications manager is also responsible for this. The brand manager talks about the story, the environment, the interaction, and the uniqueness. And the product marketing manager talks about growing the brand or expanding, and also includes a budget and a SWOT analysis that they have here. Okay. And this was their design aspect of what it would look like. So this is their sketch or their mock-up of what their ride would look like. So that's just one example. There's no right or wrong way on how to present this. I'm going to show you a couple other ones. This next one is Moana. This was done a few years ago. So you've got the Imagineers listed here. And then again, we've got the first section for the market research analyst. They have all of their information in here, as well as their supporting graphs. You'll see communications manager. That's the press release that they need to have. You'll see their marketing strategy, their logo, their slogan. And you'll see the brand manager. They talk about the environment, the interaction, the uniqueness. And you'll see the product marketing manager has that document or that spreadsheet for all of the costs and the grand total for their projected expenses. And the product marketing manager has the brand growth, the SWOT analysis, and then their ride, attraction, or design was sketched out on hand. So it wasn't included in this. It's in the sample in the classroom. But if you are, in fact, virtual doing this, please take a picture of it with your phone and add it in as an image. That would be ideal. This one's another sample. So Lion King, Pride Land Trek. You can see this one was very well thought out as well. Again, the same setup. So you're looking at number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and then your ride and attraction design at the end. She actually put scenes from the movie in to show the story, which I thought was pretty cool. The projected expenses here, SWOT analysis, how they're going to grow their brand. And again, their design for the ride was included as a single piece of paper. The Jungle Book, this one is missing the financial section, but overall, this was a pretty good sample as well for their market research analysts or analysis rather. What they added in, their sources, their communications, social media strategy, the press release, their infographic, their brand, and this one is another example as well. This one was for Hercules. So you'll see that these are five different samples. They're each set up just a little bit differently. They look a little bit different. That's okay. These are great suggested starting points to kind of review, maybe get an idea of what this looks like. They actually built a roller coaster in Roller Coaster Tycoon for their design, which was amazing. But you might just get a better idea kind of what the presentation aspect will look like now. So again, these are not perfect, but they're a great guide. So I hope this screencast was informative for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.